And right now I will tell you which faucet you have and which you don't have installed on top mount sink. If you have top mount sink, exact same like in my house, different between top mount and under mount. Top mount you have on top of the countertop. Under mount, it means you have a plywood, you have installed sink glued down and installed countertop on the top. And this section is really low, you install faucet on countertop. And when you install faucet on countertop, no one care, countertop is strong, it's a stone, and you can install tall faucet and a regular low one. If you have top mount sink, never install top with pull down sprayer, because what you have when you have top mount sink, you use the sprayer up and down all the time, many times. And what's going on when you use the sprayer? When you move this, did you see how moving the sink? And over here, all seal, they disconnected all seal, and water start leaking, and you kill your kitchen cabinet completely. Never ever install tall like this, pull down, no matter this design, different design, brand, anything. Never install faucet like this on your top mount kitchen sink. Never. It's kill your sink. Just install faucet like this with a sprayer, because arm between sink and this side way lower, and when you pull, it's harder to break the sink. With this tall arm, when you pull it and do everything, you put really low pressure over here, but it's really hard moving over here on the bottom. Because then longer arms you have, then easy you move anything. You have really long arm, you have lifted something heavy easily. And right now we install faucet, what I installing on my sink, on top mount the sink. And what we have, when you move it in and out the sprayer, it's nothing really move this side like on the previous one. And when you open and close water, it's move a little bit, but just over here, completely different than with a tall top mount sink.